and language learning. I don't know how many of you have seen 30 years back when there was no access to technology, no internet, and people, if they want to learn a language, they used to buy a book which had a glossary behind it so that they know the meanings of those difficult words. Then came internet and the technology. We had Translate, we had DeepL, we had LinkU, and whatever word we were not knowing, we actually used to put that word over there. Supposedly, I want to learn what does fahren means in German. I used to put fahren over there in my text, and here comes the full process of it. The meaning, the verbs, the adjective, how to put that in the sentences, everything was available for my disposal. And then there comes those apps, the gamification apps. Yes, Duolingo is one of them. I'm sure you must have tried that at your beginner's level. Everyone likes that dopamine thrust. Yeah, I can do this. Oh my God, these all jumbled up words I can assemble in a sentence. That euphoria, that success rate, I'm sure everybody likes that. Yeah. And now is the age of ChatGPT. What does ChatGPT actually stands for? ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Yes, ChatGPT is basically something which I can use to develop my content. So I actually tried ChatGPT out, and here is my take over ChatGPT. First of all, I set the ChatGPT to my target language, that is German. And then I wrote a small text over there and asked ChatGPT to please correct my grammar and my spellings. And yes, guys, it worked out. As a next step, I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 sentences with preposition. I'm sure many of us have problem with this. And it worked out. Perfect. So it's my take. I can actually use ChatGPT to correct my spellings, to correct my grammar, and give me some exercises to actually improve myself. Fourthly, and that's the most important point, ChatGPT can give you a lot of content. Probably you can use that content to write your blogs, write your stories, or you can use it for YouTube videos too. Somehow I am old-fashioned, but probably I would like to use my own creativity and develop that content. Here and there some inputs are okay, but at the end of the day it's going to be your own creativity which is going to take you future forward. How about the generation nowadays, the students nowadays? They all know about all these contents. So much is available on Instagram, on YouTube, on so many websites. Please use that efficiently and purposefully for your language learning. The only drawback which I found about AI or ChatGPT, it is only text-based. Language learning is writing plus speaking too. So when you are not communicating with another person, you are not speaking the language out, you are just texting it out. Somehow that is not beneficial so much. Probably we can say ChatGPT is still in an early stage, and the best part is it is free for now to use, a flashy thing. So probably use that out in a limited way. I would like to quote, "Screen devours your time, but books feed your mind." I guess it is self-explanatory. Do use the technology to facilitate your language learning process. But end of the day, it's the books which are going to help you to go that extra mile. Danke.